I'm Chris. I work at Pipe Rents Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, and I'm HVAC install. I looked into working at Pipe Rents because I knew a lot of people that already worked here and they had amazing and great things to say, and I feel like it was the place for me. Before Pipe Rents, I was in automotive technologies, servicing vehicles. I like working in HVAC installs because I get to work in plumbing, I get to do a little electrical, I get my hands on a little bit of everything. And my life outside of Pipe Rents is my family, my kids. I've got 3 boys and 1 girl. My daughter, which just went to prom. So that's pretty much my life outside of Pipe Rents, is just my family.